phone call for you. It's urgent. Yeah. I got him. We don't have a telephone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, captive audience, a display of tremendous tap dancing talent with the added cultural component of a pot of flowers balanced on my head. Hit it, Rusty.
Right, folks, let us enter in orderly fashion and provide an example. Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady.
During the show, please no flash photography, video lighting, or cell phone usage. Now go ahead and put on those glasses. Kirby the Frog presents Muppet Vision 3D.
Probably took the job for the hell of it.
Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern high-tech facility... Hey, be careful! Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D, a new film process which we're about to demonstrate. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay? Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Little? Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
Walmart, it's that dumb bear again. Yeah. Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D.
Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest. Yeah, we lost.
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3DX gonna shower you all with humor. Waka waka.
Trying to drown us. What kind of act is that? Mercy, Dad.
We'll better off next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our Seekers Laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold of the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science how to generate the first living 3D effect just by picking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D.
Thank you.
Hey there. Ooh, cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it when your nose runs? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think that would be just about enough of Waldo, Beaker. You may deactivate.
What? What are you? Watch it.
Oh dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down.
So, I'm dancing on people's heads.
Beaker, activate the inflatomatic.
The what? You?
Beaker, hurry.
Great! Oh, now I can start my own football team!
Beaker, we have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all safety. Please wrap your armrests firmly.
Yay! I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, Kermit, see, it's my new remote control banana green pie.
Yeah.
Hey, Kermit, watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, penguins.
Doesn't that look good? Yeah, too bad you're gonna spoil it for the pig.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. We made it through without me. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. Bring a little dream of me. No troubles as life bubbles on, dear. Still craving a kiss. All right, that's it. Look out, penguin.
Look, it was going so well.
I will not work with the rabbit.
But I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
What?
Peabody, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was
Get
just
out.
trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away.
Aw.
Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you can come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you get me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, Speeder, that's a rare fact.
Hey, Fuzzy, Kermit!
What is it?
Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no.
Yes, sir!
Ribbons. We gotta find him.
I
All right,
know!
everybody spread out and look for me.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment, but in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bean!
Bean? Oh, Bean! Buddy! Buddy! Bean! Where are you? Bean? 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 Hey, what's all the commotion about? Buddy ran away. Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us. Anybody seen a buddy? I don't see a buddy. Where? Where? Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny? Me! Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
Oh.
This is a very moving moment. Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean! What are we doing sticking around here? Let's burn rubber! Who's that?
He's Waldo, my 3D friend, and we're both leaving the movie.
Right,
Bean, if you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
right, yeah! Fireworks? Ooh.
Okay, I'll stay, but I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh, gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great.
Yeah, no, stay and help. I love fireworks.
Okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
They'll never recognize me now. Forward!
You idiot.
Well, what do you think? We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show? We can't, you old fool. We're bolted to the seats.
On behalf of Kurt and the gang, thank you for joining us at Muppet Vision 3D. Now make sure
Hey, there's the cars thing right next to it. Yeah, hurry up. Oh, yeah.